buddy?
Put it on the kid table?
Yeah, put it on the kid table. Alright guys, so we got
What is this, Mama?
That is so cool. What is that?
Oh, wait. You weighed it.
You weigh it?
Rabbit Rally? It's the same brand as the...
As which game? Which game? So cool. That is so awesome.
Can we show Daddy?
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
Daddy!
Alright, you want to open it up and check it out?
Yeah.
Yay.
Where's tape?
Ready? I'm loving this one. It is Color Pie. It looks like you have to match the colors in a certain order, so I'm really, I love things like that. So yeah, Color Pie. Let's
And the
take a look.
color dice.
Cool.
You need to pop these out. What are these?
So this one is Rabbit Rally. Awesome.
You got the rabbits and the carrots.
Oh, you have to put all the pieces of the pie together.
This is gonna be a hat.
This is going to be fun. All right, cool. And these are the pieces for it. All right,
Oh, there's no board.
I think we have what it says. We have to make something up here. All right, cool. And you're making that one?
I'm gonna pop these out. He has to build it.
Cool. What is it, Bryce?
You weigh. It's a waiter.
It's a scale to weigh things.
Another one of these.
Yeah, you got lots. So you have challenges, and you build it. Cool.
Another one.
Lots.
I think another one.
Lots. Cool.
Another one.
Awesome.
Another
Another one. That is
How
so
do we
fun.
build it?
Well, you match it. So why don't you take these out? Pick one of the challenges, one of the pictures. There you go. And then put it in the base there. And then you find pieces to make it.
Oh.
That is so cool.
Where does it say?
You make all the pizza pie.
Look on the box.
Let's see. Oh, that's one piece that's missing. All right, let's figure it out. All right, so let's try to figure it out here. So Rabbit Rally. This is a game for everybody to play. It looks like.
This is my rabbit. This is my rabbit.
Yeah,
Four
everybody
players.
can play it. Looks like there's 4 players.
Oh, you do pop it out.
You do
Okay.
pop it out. So you prepare that one.
Can I prepare this one? Mommy.
All right, cool. So before the first game, first put the carrot. This makes it to stand up.
Okay.
All right.
So you put that,
Put it on the blue part. And then place the carrot island and starting island on the table.
Wait, how do you do this?
Okay, so you can play 4 players using all 3 carrots and 5 stones. All right, cool. Let's take a look.
Red.
You can't touch it yet. You have to move your stone how far you think that red piece will get you. So, yep. And you can start any distance, any edge of that part right there.
That was amazing.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yay, you got it. Hop onto the stone. All right, cool. All right, Bryce, your turn. Roll the dice.
Whoa!
Roll the table.
He got green.
You got green. All right, you get green.
This is the
So
longest.
where do you think the green would take you? You think so? Okay, all right.
Yeah.
You got it. Are you falling in or are you good?
I'm good. It's not falling in.
It's not falling in. All right. Yay. Ta-da.
Can we do it again?
Yes, we can do it again.
Yay!
All right, roll the dice.
Are you playing, Mama?
Yep, I'm gonna play you.
Yeah.
So, how far you think the stone? You need to put the stone and get you where you gotta go.
I think it goes about here. No, here. No, not red. You got yellow.
You got yellow, baby.
Oh. You didn't.
Oh.
Yay!
Alright, whose turn is it? Mine?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see here.
Purple. Purple again.
Oh my goodness, the shortest stick.
Mommy's not gonna
Alright,
go
I'm
that
not
far.
going very far, so let's see if I guesstimated it right. Alright, there you go.
Boop.
Alright, now your turn.
Oh.
I really want to get blue. I really want to get
Yellow.
Yellow.
Alright, your turn. Hop your rabbit.
I think it's this far.
Oh boy, you're really close.
I'm almost to the carrots.
Are you ready for the yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I want to get to the carrots first.
Well, we'll see. Oh, you could have gone a little bit more. Alright, cool. Alright, go Flo.
I'm almost.
I hope I get green.
I hope I get blue. I just hope. You got purple.
Purple. The tiny one, right?
Yeah, the tiny one.
This is fun.
Is it my turn?
Your turn, yeah.
This is so fun.
After Bryce's mom.
Blue!
Which one's the blue?
This one.
Oh.
You said that was purple again?
I think I can go.
Oh, the purple's the smaller one, that's right. Okay.
Oh!
Whoa.
No, you can't do
You
that.
can't move the stone. Alright, okay,
Whoa.
go ahead.
Oh!
Make the eye, go ahead. It's okay, Bryce. Just go hop your rabbit. But next time, if it doesn't connect, the plank falls in the water and the next person goes, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, and my turn.
I'm almost to the carrots!
Almost to the carrot.
Look me, Brycey.
Oh, I got green. Holla.
Holla,
Let's
boom, ah.
see. Somebody keep moving my stone. That's not where I was. Alright, let's see if I got this. Ah, I could have moved it even more. Okay. Alright.
I'm almost to the carrots!
Almost to the
Yellow.
carrots.
Here it is.
Yellow. Oh boy.
No!
Where's the yellow? Where's the yellow go?
Yellow. Yellow got you up. Yeah. No!
Alright, you got the golden carrot. What do? You have to dance. You have to get up and dance around.
Now I get eaten.
You have to dance. Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get to go to the carrot.
You found the water.
That was actually really a lot of fun. We were so blessed because this is our third year homeschooling, and it's just such a blessing to be able to do it. And one of the things that we do, we actually add a lot of STEM toys to our homeschool. So one of the blessings is that one of the company that we actually order from, Haba, we've been using Animal Upon Animal, which is a riot. We love that game. And now they actually sent us through. Check out some more of our homeschooling stuff. I am hesitant to use the word vlog because vlog is like a commitment. Maybe I should commit, but because we get a lot of questions about our homeschool, so you never know. Stay tuned.